Well, in the last session I have explained how to get the latitude longitude for your current location, if not how to extract the current location information in Android application using location based services. Okay, we have learned like what you mean by location provider, or why we need location manager, and what do you mean by location listener, or why we need location listener. So all those things we have learned in the previous session. Now let us try to convert this latitude longitude to address. Okay, so for that we have to write a piece of code. Okay, so I'll create a method here. So I'll give the public access. Okay, and I'll mention this void, and I'll give the name as get address. Okay, now inside this we have to extract the address using your latitude longitude, whatever you have collected from your location. Okay, and let us try to display that, but in the emulator it is not possible to show. So just I will explain the coding part here. You can deploy this application on your mobile phone and you can check it out. Okay, so Android provides a class called as geocoder. Okay, using geocoder you can convert your latitude longitude to address, and also you can convert the address to latitude longitude. Okay, so first let us see how to convert latitude longitude to address, and this process is called as reverse geocoding. Okay, so let us see how to do this. I will take geocoder. I will give the name as GC, which is equal to new geocoder. Okay, and let us take, it accepts two parameters. The first parameter will be main activity and your locale. So that is, you can take locale.default. Okay, you can check the different locales here, like locale Canada, French, China. Okay, so English, etc. So let us go with the default one. Get default. So in the statement here it should be main activity dot this. So now after declaring or after initializing your geocoder, okay, so we can start extracting the address. So see, remember for a particular latitude longitude you may have, or you may get different addresses. So for that, instead of taking only one address variable, I will take a list of address. Okay, so I'll create a list here. Okay, it is of type address. Okay, I'll name it as list. If not, I'll make it as address list. Okay, now see, why I am declaring here means there is a chances of getting the exception whenever you are trying to convert your latitude longitude to address. Okay, so for that I will show that line. See, if you put address list here is equal to, from your geocoder you have to collect the address. So gc dot get from location. Okay, so it is asking for the latitude and longitude. Already we have defined the latitude and longitude. It is asking for maximum results, means how many addresses you want to get from this particular latitude and longitude. Okay, so that's why we are collecting it in a address in a list actually. okay, not as a single individual variable. So we are collecting in a list because there is chances of getting more than one address for a particular latitude and longitude. Okay, so here I will make it as 2 so that you can get the 2 addresses possibly. Okay, can you see that it is showing the exception? So you have to add the try catch block. So suppose if I declare this list inside the try block, then you can't access that outside the try. So that's why I have declared outside try block here. Okay, so after getting your list of addresses, okay, now we have to check whether this address list contains any data or not. For that, what we will do is I'll put the if condition. If your address list is not equal to null and your address list size should be, okay, it should be greater than 0. If not, it will throw the exception. Okay, so I'll put the condition here, and if it passes this condition, means address list is not null and the size is greater than 0, then what I will do is I'll collect one address and I'll try to extract the data from this object. Okay, so for that I will take the address variable. Okay, I will give it as ADR is equal to your address list, okay, dot you can get the first object, that is get, which is at position 0. Okay, so now if your address list contains 2 addresses, then we are trying to extract the first address, and from that you can extract the different address variables like locality, sublocality, country code. Okay, so admin area, local admin area, like this you can extract the details about the address. Okay, so for that already we have taken the address variable and we have extracted one object from your address list. So now let us try to extract the data from this address. Okay, I will take the string variables here. String, first I will go with the sublocality. Okay, I will give it as sublocality, which is equal to your address variable dot get sublocality. Okay, so then I will take one more variable, string, I'll name it as locality, which is equal to your address variable dot get locality. Okay, in the same way you can extract the country also. Take the string variable. Okay, country is equal to your address variable dot get country name. Okay, like this you can extract different variables here. If not, you can extract the details about this particular address. Okay, so for example, okay, I will show country code. Okay, for that your address variable dot get country code. Okay, if not, you can check it out here. If you type get, you can see all the options, what all the data you can collect it from the address. You can check it out here. You can extract like address line, admin area, country code, country name, and feature name, locality, phone, postal code. Okay, so like this you can extract all the data related to your address. Okay, so this process of getting address from latitude and longitude is nothing but your reverse geocoding. Okay, so in the next session I'll explain how to convert address to latitude and longitude. That is called as forward geocoding or geocoding. Okay, so thanks for watching.